Hi my dear beautiful friend, in this video I am going to show you record incoming calls on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, grab your phone, open the default phone dialer app. After the app is open, at the top right section you can see 3 dot more button. Tap on it. From the pop-up menu, go to settings. Once you are in the call settings page, you can find the record calls option. Simply tap on it to open them. After that, you can see the auto record calls or similar name. Tap to open them. Right now, this option is turned off. Simply tap on it to turn it on first. After it enable, I recommend you can always select all calls option. This means if you pick any incoming or outgoing both call, automatically record it your phone. If you decide to another way to singly record incoming call, this time you can go back to the main default phone dialer app. For example, I am send call, but this work for incoming, outgoing both section. Go to recent, make any person call, and you can see the more button appear. Simply tap on it, then find the record option. Click on it and automatically start recording your phone. Thanks for watching.